Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Alex, and we're all about building a life of financial freedom, one smart step at a time. Today, we have something really special. We're diving deep into the world of passive income, but with a twist. We're not talking about those tired old ideas you've heard a million times. We're looking ahead to 2025. The economy is shifting, technology is advancing at lightning speed, and the ways we make money are changing right along with it. What worked 5 years ago might not be the best strategy for the future. That's why I've been researching, connecting with innovators. And I recently had a fascinating conversation with a young financial expert who's absolutely crushing it. They shared their top 5 passive income ideas that are not just working now, but are poised to explode in 2025 and beyond. These are actionable, forward-thinking strategies. So, grab a notebook, get comfortable, and let's explore how you can start building real, sustainable passive income streams for the future. All right, let's jump right into the first idea, and it's a big one. AI-powered niche content creation. Forget just starting a generic blog or YouTube channel. The game in 2025 is all about hyper-niche topics supercharged with AI. Think about it. What's a specific, unique interest you have? Maybe it's historical sword-making techniques, sustainable urban gardening for small apartments, or even reviewing retro video game soundtracks. The key is to go deep, not broad. Here's where the AI comes in. Tools are getting incredibly powerful. You can use AI to research underserved keywords in your niche, generate topic ideas, create outlines for your articles or video scripts, and even help design graphics or edit video clips. This dramatically cuts down your production time, which is often the biggest barrier to creating content. The passive part comes from affiliate marketing, ad revenue, and selling your own digital products like an ebook or a short course to your dedicated audience. By focusing on a niche you're passionate about and using AI as your creative partner, you can build an automated content engine that earns for you 24/7. It's about working smarter, leveraging technology to serve a passionate community that bigger creators might overlook. Moving on to our second game-changing idea, automated e-commerce with specialized dropshipping. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Dropshipping? Isn't that saturated? And you're right. The old model of selling generic products from massive marketplaces is getting tougher. The 2025 strategy is all about specialization and building a brand. Instead of a general store, think about creating a curated brand around a specific lifestyle or need. For example, a store dedicated entirely to eco-friendly kitchen supplies, or high-quality gear for remote workers, or maybe even accessories for a specific breed of dog. You become the go-to expert. The automated part comes from using modern platforms that integrate seamlessly with vetted, high-quality suppliers, often based locally or in regions known for quality. Many of these services can handle everything from order fulfillment to customer service inquiries. Your job shifts from managing inventory to building a community. You'll focus on creating amazing content on social media, running targeted ads, and being the face of the brand. The income becomes passive once your marketing funnels are optimized and your automated systems are handling the day-to-day operations. You're not just a reseller, you're a brand curator, and that's a much more powerful and profitable position to be in. Let's get to the third idea, and this one is for those who love sharing their knowledge, creating and licensing micro-learning modules. The way we learn is changing. People are busy. They don't always have time for a 40-hour course. They want quick, digestible, and effective learning experiences they can consume on their commute or during a lunch break. This is where micro-learning comes in. Think about a skill you have. It could be anything from advanced spreadsheet formulas, to photo editing tricks, to basic conversational Spanish, or even how to negotiate a salary. Instead of creating a massive, all-encompassing course, you break it down into a series of 5 to 10-minute video modules. Each module solves one specific problem. Here's the passive income twist. You're not just selling these on your own website. You can license your content to corporate training platforms, educational marketplaces, and even companies looking to upskill their employees. You create the content once, and then you can sell the rights to use it over and over again to different clients. As the demand for continuous, on-the-go learning grows, your library of high-quality micro-lessons becomes an incredibly valuable asset that generates licensing fees while you sleep. Our fourth idea taps into a booming local economy: fractional real estate and community investment. Traditional real estate investing often feels out of reach for many of us because of the huge down payments and management headaches. But technology is changing the game. In 2025, fractional ownership will be more accessible than ever. New platforms are emerging that allow you to pool your money with other investors to buy shares in a property. You could own a small piece of a vacation rental, a commercial building, or an apartment complex. You get the benefits of real estate appreciation and rental income without needing hundreds of thousands of dollars or having to deal with tenants and toilets yourself. The platform's management company handles all the logistics for a fee, and you simply collect your share of the profits. Beyond that, look into community investment funds or real estate investment trusts, also known as REITs, that focus on developing your local area. This not only has the potential for great returns, but also allows you to contribute to the growth of your own neighborhood. It's a powerful way to turn a small amount of capital into a passive, tangible investment that you can feel good about. It's real estate investing, but democratized for the 21st century. And finally, we've arrived at our fifth, and perhaps the most forward-thinking idea: decentralized digital asset staking and lending. Now, stay with me here, because this might sound complex, but the concept is actually quite simple, and it's a huge part of the future of finance. We're talking about the world of cryptocurrencies and decentralized finance, or DeFi. Instead of letting your digital assets just sit in a wallet, you can put them to work. Staking is a bit like earning interest in a high-yield savings account. By holding certain cryptocurrencies, you help secure their network, and in return, you're rewarded with more of that currency. It's a completely passive process once you set it up. Lending is another powerful option. On decentralized platforms, you can lend your digital assets to others and earn interest on the loan, all managed automatically and securely by smart contracts. This removes the need for a traditional bank as the middleman. The interest rates in DeFi can often be significantly higher than what you'd find at a bank. Of course, this space comes with its own risks and volatility, so it's crucial to do your research, start small, and only invest what you're willing to lose. But for those willing to learn, it represents a frontier of passive income that is set to become much more mainstream by 2025. So there you have it. 5 powerful, future-focused passive income ideas that are set to thrive in 2025. From leveraging AI in content creation and building specialized e-commerce brands, to licensing micro-courses, fractional real estate, and exploring decentralized finance. The common thread here is leveraging technology and focusing on specific niches. The days of generic one-size-fits-all approaches are fading. The future of wealth creation is about being specific, being authentic, and being smart with the tools available to us. Remember, passive income is rarely 100% passive from day one. It requires an upfront investment of time, effort, or money. But by choosing the right strategy for you and planting those seeds now, you can build systems that work for you, giving you more time, freedom, and security in the years to come. What did you think? Which of these ideas got you the most excited? Let me know down in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts and which one you might try first. And if you got any value from this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video on building your financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.